Yo, so most people think that AI is going to destroy small business, but smart money knows that it's actually going to make it 3x more valuable. Here's what I mean. An HVAC company doing 800K per year is selling at around $400,000, and labor is eating at 60% of the revenue. That's the whole margin. That's why it's cheap. But automate the scheduling, automate the dispatch, automate the follow-ups with the customers, and that labor number drops. Volume goes up and margins expand. It's the same business, but it's a different operator. That $400,000 asset just became a $1 million asset. Not because the business changed, but because that bottleneck was removed. Boomers are selling businesses at valuations on what it costs to run today, not with the right tools that are being offered to them. And that gap is the trade.